up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Hey, you guys, I'm doing the, what is this called again? The Cabbage Patch. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on those platforms so you can get access to exclusive content that you can see, you know, what I'm doing at that time. Don't forget to like this video. And please, please, please subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, thank you. And if you are my goodies and baddies, my budgeting baddies, my budgeting besties, I appreciate you guys so, so much. And we are going up. We are trying to save a little bit as we can. Like, so we're starting off small and we're going, but I feel like I've been doing really, really good this year. So we're going to keep going forward and trying to save up as much coin as we can to become financial independent and debt free. So if you like that type of content, obviously you can, like, you know, you can see that I do cash stuffing and budgeting videos, some planning, and we like to do some saving challenges on here. I do have a new savings challenge that is available on my website. It is our 30 envelope challenge. Once I'm done with the 20 envelope challenge from Baddies and Budgets, I'm gonna start this challenge. And this is just, it's available on my website. It's 30 envelopes. I do have to round out the corners still, so this is like just mine. For some reason, I don't round out my own corners, but then I'm like, oh, I need to round out the corners because it just makes it hold like nicely. But yes, you guys, so this is the 30 envelope challenge, and you can write any amount that you want. I know I have a trip coming up, I think in November, so I have to pay for like the resort and stuff. So I have to make sure I put 15 of these envelopes is going to be for a certain amount, and then the rest will be different amounts too. So I really do like these envelopes. I created it a long time ago, and I was like, go ahead and just do it. So this is just like a quick flip through of all the envelopes. They're different. Everyone is different. My little dolls. So I will, so again, these are available on my website at pinkuni.com. They're limited quantities because these do take a lot to make. Like, these take a lot of time to make. So I only have limited quantities of these. And I am waiting for the box, the little boxes to get here. I'm not sure which box I'm gonna do, because you know I have like the smaller box, and then I have like these bigger boxes that hold my 100 envelope challenge and the 20 envelope challenge. But this one, let me see if they fit. I know this is like completely random, but it'll fit a little bit. It's like a tight fit for these ones. So it's like I kind of need like a big, like a wider box, or you could put them like this. I guess you could put them like that. But if I could find a perfect box with these dimensions, I think that would be perfect. Because I do have some sample boxes coming in to, you know, sample them out, see how they fit and everything. And I will probably expand them because it's supposed to be 100 envelopes. But girl, that was a lot. So I was just like, okay, let me just start with 30. So I could just do like 30, 60. And then I'll do like whatever amount to get it to 100. But it'll be like different pictures, if that makes sense. Like, they'll just be different pictures in different like sections. But alrighty, so let's get into Hey Now, Say Now, my sinking funds bundle. So I have this, and I actually make these as freebies. They're like to moisten up your fingertips if you're doing like cash stuffing. You're doing with a lot of cash. So that's what I'm using. Okay, we're gonna take this one out. And we're just gonna do $20. I'm gonna color this one in. Today is the 14th. Yep. Plus 20. And we're gonna see how much we have saved. So we have 20. Yeah, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 1, 2, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So you have 154 in emergency fund. And can y'all see? Yes, okay. Just making sure. Making sure you guys can see. So we have 154 in there. But sometimes we can't do 18, so I just put 20. And in medical, we have $10. Was I gonna do 10? Yeah, I think I was gonna do a 10. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I think I did a 10. So we're gonna color in a heart. 3, 14 plus 10, 70. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, $70. And then we have car. We're gonna do 120. And we color one in. And we got 100. I got 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 8, 9, 95, 100. Okay, there we go. I think in bills, I think we're just gonna do a 20 and a 5. So we're gonna color that one in. Oh, 3, 25. Yeah, we should have 100 in this one too. I have 2, 4, 6, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And let me see if I was gonna do anything. I think I was was gonna do one for date night. I had clothes. Okay. I'll just do one for date night. We just color in the little avocados. And we should have 84. So we have 2, 4, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, $84. Okay, and I think that's what we're gonna stuff. Yeah. And then we're gonna stuff some challenges. Alrighty, so that's it for Hey Now, Say Now. I think we're coming along very nicely in my sinking funds bundle or my sinking funds binder. I do have like the little inserts available on my website, so go check it out if you're interested. Alrighty, I will see y'all later. I'll see y'all tomorrow. We are still going strong for March Madness, so like we trying to get it in. We trying to get it in. But alright, I think the next envelope, the next cash stuffing will be fairly short, probably really quick. It's just gonna be because I think I only have 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So I have $45 left, and we're gonna be looking at our baddies and budgets, saving challenges, seeing what we can stuff in there, and we'll just go from there. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye. Yeah, yeah, yeah.